In the fast-paced automotive parts industry, every second counts. But without the right tools, managing operations can feel like a never-ending race against time. Imagine trying to keep track of thousands of parts, managing complex production schedules, and meeting tight deadlines, all without the help of a central system. The result? Inefficient processes, missed deadlines, and frustrated customers. Without ERP software, manufacturers often face a host of issues. Inventory errors. Tracking inventory manually leads to errors, overstocking, or even stockouts, causing delays in production. Production delays. Without a streamlined process, production schedules can become chaotic, leading to delays and missed deadlines. Communication breakdowns. Departments struggle to stay on the same page, leading to miscommunication and inefficiencies. Quality control issues. Maintaining consistent quality becomes a challenge when processes aren't standardized. Challenges like these can hold your business back. Now, let's see what happens when Absolute ERP software is in the driver's seat. Accurate inventory management. ERP software tracks inventory in real time, reducing errors and ensuring you always have the right parts when you need them. Streamline production schedules. With ERP, you can automate production planning, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and on time. Improve communication. ERP integrates all departments into a single system, making sure everyone has access to the same information, reducing miscommunication and boosting efficiency. Enhance quality control. ERP software standardizes processes, ensuring that every part meets your quality standards every time. Companies that have embraced Absolute ERP are already seeing incredible results. They've minimized delays, cut costs, and improved customer satisfaction by delivering high-quality parts on time. In the automotive parts industry, the difference between success and struggle often comes down to the tools you use. With Absolute ERP, you can turn challenges into opportunities, driving your business forward with confidence. Contact us today to learn how Absolute ERP can transform your business.